focus on me.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I do my Marley twist. So I took one of the twists out and now I'm about to prep the hair. So I'm going to spray it with water and I'm also going to use the Shea Moisture Strengthening Mask. So here I am spraying it with water, making sure I get it moisturized. And now I'm just detangling through it. Right, and then I'm going to take my mask. I'm going to put it through the hair, just rake it through. And then I'm going to split my hair into two sections. I'm showing you guys up close a little more. Okay, and then now I have my Marley hair. I'm going to put water on that as well with the Strengthening Mask by Shea Moisture. And now I'm holding the hair and I'm showing you guys the placement of my hands on top of my hair with the Marley hair. Okay, and then I'm going to take my right index finger, bring it under the hair, and use my index finger and my thumb in order to grasp the hair when I'm twisting it with my left hand. Twist, grasp, twist, grasp, twist, grasp, twist, grasp. So I'm going to keep doing that until it's close to the scalp. And then once it's close, I take the twisted side on the left over the untwisted side on the right, and then I begin twisting them like normal. And as you can see in the video, it gives the illusion of an invisible root. So it just looks like it's my hair. And then I'm just going to twist all the way down. Okay, and I'm showing you guys when you flip it, when you turn it different ways, how it looks. Alright, I'm going to keep twisting. Oh, I messed up on my twist. Sorry guys. Alright guys, and there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, adios kittens. Hey kittens! I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you guys. So as you guys can see, my hair is different. I installed Marley Twist yesterday and I wanted to talk to you guys about that. Okay, so it took me about 6.5, 7 hours to finish my hair. If you guys can see, I did the invisible root method. First of all, that was a process. I was so frustrated. It probably took me about like 5 days to learn it because it's so much. Anyway, but I actually figured out a way to do it using 2 different techniques from other YouTubers that I saw because I watched tons of videos on it. So first I used a lot of products. I used like 6 in total. First I used, and I gotta do a product review on this stuff because it's so good. It's the Bella Curls Curl Defining Cream. This is at Dollar General and it's about $6. I use this as my moisturizer for my hair. And then on top of that, I put the ORS Hair Repair. It is coconut oil and baobab. If I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry. This is the oil that I use for it. And Cobra is acting up, so hold on. So I also use conditioner. It's by Shea Moisture. It's the Yucca and Plantain one. And this is awesome. When I tell you guys, This is super moisturizing. It is super moisturizing. And then for my gel, I use the ORS Lock and Twist gel. This gel is pretty good. I just don't like gel though. So yeah. And then I use Cream of Nature with Argan Perfect Edges Edge Control. And this is awesome. I'm also not an edge control person. I just throw water on my edges and I keep going. But I actually have edge control on right now. I used the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges and it does pretty well, I will say. But yeah, I just typically don't use edge control, but it's awesome. And then to finish it off, I use the Olive Miracle Braid Sheen Spray. This is also at Walmart. This was about $3 or $4. It smells good, and I normally just spray this in the morning. And I also take water and I spray that, and then I follow up with this oil. So those are all the products that I used on my hair in order to achieve this look. I will say, if I ever do my hair in Marley Twist again, I will say that I probably will not use gel and I probably won't use edge control just because my hair can do without it. My hair is in more need of moisturizer, so oil, creams, and stuff like that. But I really like my Marley Twist, guys. If you want to come near me while I'm videoing, say hi. Say hi. Anyway, but I'll probably keep them in, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks, 3-4 weeks. My hair though, I'm probably gonna have to like seriously deep condition it afterwards, and throughout I probably will try and condition it. But I love them. I think Marley Twist just looks so good, and they're just so get up and go when you have this hairstyle. So literally you wake up and you just refresh them and you just whoop, you just leave out, you know, do what you gotta do. It's just so quick, it's so easy. I think I did pretty darn good for my first try. So I'll check back in soon with the demo, guys. Love you. Adios.